Students, welcome to my YouTube channel Vata Ganitacha. In this video, we are going to learn comparison of ratio. So, comparison of ratios. For that, we will take two ratios. First, A is to B and second, C is to D. In this case, we have to take cross multiplication of these two ratios. So, cross multiplication. First cross multiplication will be A multiplied by D, that is AD, and second cross multiplication will be B multiplied by C, that is BC. Now here these are two cross multiplications. Now what relation will be there between these two, AD and BC? AD and BC, and in third case it will be AD and BC. Either these two ratios will be equal or the first ratio will be greater, either both the cross multiplications will be equal, first cross multiplication will be greater than second one, and the first cross multiplication will be smaller than second. So if we get the first relation, that time both the ratios are equal ratios. If we get second, then the first ratio is greater than second ratio, and third, if we get the first ratio is smaller than second ratio, that time if we get first cross multiplication smaller than second cross multiplication, then first ratio is smaller than second ratio. Now we will take one example for this. Square root of 5 divided by is to 3, and second ratio is 3 is to square root of 7. Now we will take first cross multiplication, that is square root of 5 multiplied by square root of 7, so it will be square root of 35. Now second cross multiplication, that is 3 multiplied by 3, 9. Now here these two formats are different. या ठिकाणी हे दोन्ही फॉर्मॅट जे आहेत ते वेगवेगळे आहेत. या ठिकाणी 35 ही संख्या वर्गमुळात आहे, या ठिकाणी वर्गमुळाचं चिन्ह नाही. मग याला आपण वर्गमुळाच्या चिन्हात लिहू, तर त्यासाठी आपल्याला या ठिकाणी लिहिता येईल वर्गमुळात 81. 81 चे वर्गमूळ हे 9 आहे, म्हणजेच 9 बरोबर वर्गमुळात 81. मग आता या ठिकाणी या दोन संख्या कंपेअर करायच्या. So square root of 35 and square root of 81. जी संख्या लहान तिचं वर्गमूळ हे लहान असतं, तर त्याप्रमाणे या ठिकाणी हे रिलेशन मिळेल. मग therefore the first cross multiplication is smaller than second cross multiplication. Therefore we can write square root of 5 is to 3 is smaller than 3 is to square root of 7. Now these are another two examples. So first example, here we can simplify this ratio. So for that we can write this as 9 into 7, and here we can write square root of 25 multiplied by 5. So square root of 9 is 3. So 3 square root of 7 is 2. 5 square root of 5. So while comparing these two ratios, we are going to compare the first ratio and this ratio. या दोघांची तुलना आपल्याला करायची आहे. मग त्यासाठी फर्स्ट क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन, that is multiplication of 3 root 5 multiplied by 5 root 5. 3 into 5 15 multiplied by square root of 5 multiplied by square root of 5 is 5, that is 75. Now second cross multiplication, so it is 5 root 7 multiplied by 3 into root 7, 5 into 3 15 multiplied by square root of 7 multiplied by square root of 7, it will be 7. So 15 sevens are 105. Therefore we have to compare these two numbers 75 and 105. First number is smaller than second number, that means first cross multiplication is smaller than second cross multiplication. Therefore we can write 3 root 5 is to 5 root 7 is smaller than 3 root 7 is to 5 root 5. Therefore lastly we can write 3 root 5 is to 5 root 7 is smaller than square root of 63 is to square root of 125. In this way we can solve this example. Now next example, in this case also we have to simplify it. So square root of 16 multiplied by 5, and here it will be square root of 16 multiplied by 3. So here we can write 4 root 5 divided by 4 root 3. So it will become square root of 5 is to square root of 3. Now here in this case it will be 9 multiplied by 5, and here it will be 9 multiplied by 3. Take square root of 9, so 3 root 5 divided by 3 root 3. So this 3 will get cancelled, so it will be square root of 5 upon square root of 3. The simplest form of first ratio and the simplest form of second ratio are same. Therefore the given two ratios are equal. Here we can write the answer in this way: the simplest form of both ratios are same. Therefore we can write square root of 80 is to square root of 48 is equal to square root of 45 is to square root of 27. So in this way we can solve it. Now we are taking first example from exercise 4.2. So here we have to find out these fill in the blanks. So here we have to take first two ratios. 5 is to 7 is equal to x is to 28. Here we can name these values as x, y, z. So here we get take cross multiplication. 7 multiplied by x is equal to 5 multiplied by 28. Therefore, x is equal to 5 multiplied by 28 divided by 7. 7 1 is 7, 7 4 is 28. So 20. X is equal to 20. That means this value will be 20. Now we will go for this value. So for that we have to take first ratio and this ratio. So take 5 is to 7 is equal to 35 is to y. Now we will take this cross multiplication first. 5 multiplied by y is equal to 7 multiplied by 35. So y is equal to 7 multiplied by 35 upon 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35. So 7 sevens are 49. Y is equal to 49, and the third value, for that we will take 5 is to 7 is equal to z is to 3.5. We will take this cross multiplication first. So 7 multiplied by z is equal to 5 multiplied by 3.5. So z is equal to 5 multiplied by 3.5 divided by 7. So 7 ones are 7. Here we cannot divide it, therefore 0 decimal point. 35, 7 5s are 35. So 5 into 5, 25, and decimal point we have to place here. So z is equal to 2.5. Lastly we can write the answer. So 5 is to 7 is equal to 20 is to 28 is equal to 35 is to 49 is equal to 2.5 is to 3.5. So in this way we can solve such examples. You try to solve the second example of this question. This is question number 2. Here we have to write the ratios. So first is ratio of radius to circumference. So for that we have to write the formula. Circumference C is equal to 2 pi r, and in this case we have to write the ratio of radius to circumference. So r upon c is equal to 1 upon 2 pi. हे c आपण या बाजूला खाली घेतलं, हे 2 पाय या बाजूला खाली येईल, म्हणजेच या ठिकाणी हा रेशो होईल r upon c or r is to c is equal to 1 is to 2 pi. That means the ratio of radius to circumference is 1 is to 2 pi. So this we can write in other words, ratio of radius to circumference is equal to 1 is to 2 pi. Now second, ratio of diagonal of square to its side. So first of all we have to take the formula. Diagonal of square is equal to root 2 into side. The formula is diagonal of square is equal to root 2 into side. If we place the value 7 here, so root 2 multiplied by 7, that is 7 root 2. This will be the diagonal of square. Now the ratio we have to write, diagonal is to side. So diagonal of square is to side of square is equal to 7 root 2 is to 7. 7 will get cancelled. So square root of 2 is to 1. In this way we can write the ratio. Now next example is length of rectangle is 5 centimeter and breadth is 3.5 centimeter. Then we have to write the ratio of perimeter to area. So first of all we will find out perimeter of rectangle. 2 in bracket L plus B. So 2 in bracket L plus B. So 3.5 plus 5, that is 8.5. 8.5 multiplied by 2 is 17 centimeter. And area of rectangle is equal to L multiplied by B, that is 5 multiplied by 3.5. 5 5s are 25, carry 2, 5 3s are 15 plus 2 17. So decimal point will be here. Now ratio of perimeter to area. Actually this ratio cannot be done because here the perimeter is having the unit centimeter and area is having the unit square centimeter. Generally in ratio both the units must be same. 17 upon 17.5. मग याला सोडवायचं झालं तर आपण याला 170 भागिले 175 असं लिहू. एक शून्य वाढवलं, दशांश शून्य एक अंकाने इकडे सरकवलं, याचा भागाकार करायचा. 5 न 2 ला भाग जातो. 5 त्रिक 15 उरले 2 20, 5 चौक 20, इथं 5 त्रिक 15 उरले 2 25, 5 5 25, म्हणजे हा रेशो झाला 34:35. Now these are the word problems. First problem is quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Here the ratio is given of the adjacent angles. So here we can take, let the common multiple be x. Therefore measure of angle A is 5x. Measure of angle B is equal to 4x. We know adjacent angles are supplementary. Therefore we can write measure of angle A plus measure of angle B is equal to 180. So 5x plus 4x is equal to 180, that is 9x is equal to 180. X is equal to 180 upon 9, that is x is equal to 20. This is common multiple. Here it is asked to find out measure of angle B. So measure of angle B is equal to 4x, that is 4 into 20, that is 80 degree. So at the same time we can find out angle A also. So A is 5x, that is 5 into 20, so 100 degree. So measure of angle A will be 100 degree. Lastly we have to write the answer in sentence. Now in the same way, second example, age ratio of Albert to Salim is 5:9 and after 5 years it will be 3:5. So here we have to take common multiple. So answer, let the common multiple be x. So Albert's age 5x years and Salim's age 9x years. Now after 5 years, by given condition, that is after 5 years, their age will increase by 5. दोघांचं वय 5 न वाढेल. मग पहिल्याचं वय 5x होतं तर ते 5 न वाढलं, दुसऱ्याचं वय 9x होतं ते 5 न वाढलं आणि नवीन रेशो तयार झाला 3:5. आता याला सोडवायचं. सो 3 multiplied by 9x plus 5 is equal to 5 multiplied by 5x plus 5. Take now open the bracket. 3 into 9, 27x plus 15 is equal to 25x plus 25. हे इकडे घ्यायचं. 27x minus 25x is equal to 25 minus 15. So 2x is equal to 10. X is equal to 10 upon 2, that is x is equal to 5. Lastly, here we have to find out their ages, that means both the ages. So Albert's age 5x 5 multiplied by 5 25 years and Salim's age, that is 9x 9 into 5 45 years. Lastly, we can write in sentence Albert's and Salim's age are 25 and 45 respectively. Now this is third example. In this the ratio of length to breadth is 3:1. So first sentence will be let the common multiple be x. So L will be equal to 3x centimeter and B will be equal to x centimeter. Then perimeter formula, perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 in bracket L plus B. So 36 centimeter is equal to 2 in bracket L plus B. So 2 multiplied by 3x plus x 4x 36 is equal to 2 multiplied by 4x. 8x is equal to 36. X is equal to 36 upon 8. So x is equal to, divide 36 by 8. So 8 4s are 32, carry 4 40, 8 5s are 40. So x is equal to 4.5. Now we have to find out length and breadth. So length is equal to 3x, that is 3 multiplied by 4.5. So 3 5s are 15, carry 1, 3 4s are 12, plus 1 13, 13.5 centimeter, and breadth is equal to x, that is 4.5 centimeter. So lastly we can write the answer in sentence. See, when the example is in words, then we have to write the answer also in words. That we have to follow. Now the next example, here the ratio of two numbers is 10:9. So let the common multiple be x. So here the numbers will be, the numbers are 10x and 9x respectively. So by given condition, their product is 360. So 10x multiplied by 9x is equal to 360. 10 into 9, 90, x into x, x square is equal to 360. X square is equal to 360 upon 90. X square is equal to 4. So x is equal to 2. So the numbers will be, first number 10x, that is 10 multiplied by 2, 20, and second number 9x, 9 multiplied by 2, 18. Lastly we can write inwards, the given numbers are 20 and 18.